How to use Listary Full Guide 2026. Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Listary on your Windows PC. If you've already installed Listary and want to make searching files, folders, and applications much faster, this guide is for you. Let's get started. After installing Listary, make sure it's running in the background. You'll see the Listary icon in the Windows system tray near the clock. By default, you can open the Listary search box by pressing the Control key twice quickly. A small search window will appear on your screen. Simply start typing the name of a file, folder, or application. Listary will instantly display matching results as you type. You can use the up and down arrow keys to move through the results and press enter to open the selected item immediately. You can also use Listary while working in File Explorer. Open any folder and begin typing the name of a file. Listary will quickly help you find matching items without manually browsing through folders. This saves a lot of time, especially if you have many files stored on your computer. Another useful feature is launching applications. Just open the Listary search box, type the name of the app you want, and press enter ***. The application will open instantly without searching through the Start menu. If you want to change how Listary works, click the Listary icon in the system tray and open Options ***. From there, you can customize hotkeys, search behavior, appearance, and many other settings to match your workflow. That's how easy it is to use Listary on Windows. With just a few keystrokes, you can quickly find files, open folders, and launch applications, making your daily work much faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful Windows tutorials. See you in the next video.